Sahih Al-Bukhari 3156, 3157, narrated Umar bin Dinar radiyallahu ta'ala anha. I was sitting with Jabir bin Zaid radiyallahu ta'ala anha and Umar bin Aus radiyallahu ta'ala anha, and Bajala was narrating to them in 78 the year when Mus'ab bin Az-Zubair radiyallahu ta'ala anha was the leader of the pilgrims of Basra. We were sitting at the steps of Zamzam well, and Bajala said, I was the clerk of Yus bin Muawiyah al-Ahnaf's paternal uncle. A letter came from Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anha 1 year before his death, and it was read, cancel every marriage contracted among the Magians between relatives of close kinship, marriages that are regarded illegal in Islam. Relatives of this sort being called Dua Mahram, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha did not take the jizya from the Magian infidels till Abdurrahman bin Auf testified that Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam had taken the jizya from the Magians of Hajar. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3158, narrated Umar bin Auf al-Ansari radiallahu ta'ala anha, who was an ally of Bam Umar bin Loi radiallahu ta'ala anha, and one of those who had taken part in the Ghazwa of Badr. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah to Bahrain to collect the jizya. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam had established peace with the people of Bahrain and appointed Al-Ala bin al-Drami as their governor. When Abu Ubaidah radiallahu ta'ala anha came from Bahrain with the money, the Ansar heard of Abu Ubaidah's arrival, which coincided with the time of the morning prayer with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam led them in the morning prayer and finished, the Ansar approached him, and he looked at them and smelled on seeing them and said, I feel that you have heard that Abu Ubaidah radiallahu ta'ala anha has bought something. They said, yes, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He said, rejoice of and hope for what will please you by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am not afraid of your poverty, but I am afraid that you will lead a life of luxury as past nations did, whereupon you will compete with each other for it as they competed for it, and it will destroy you as it destroyed them. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.